If you keep up with what's going on in the economy or the stock market, you're aware that we have high inflation rates right now in the United States, and that the Fed is raising rates that the banks use to borrow money from one another to help stifle the inflation rate. Well, that's creating problems in the stock market. And if that has you concerned over some of the volatility, you might have some good news if you were to check the value of your home. Equity is the current value of your home minus what you owe on the loan. So if your home is worth $300,000, you owe $200,000, you have $100,000 in equity, meaning if you were to sell your house, pay off your loan, you would pocket the difference. That would be your equity. Equity has risen drastically in the last few years because there are more people looking to buy homes than there are homes available to sell. So supply and demand has driven prices up on the value of the homes. Recently, inventory has been rising and interest rates have been rising, which has been cooling off the market for the number of buyers that are available or that are actually searching for homes right now. But the good news is that home prices and home values remain really strong. The latest home equity insights from CoreLogic says that the average homeowner's equity has grown by over $60,000 in the last 12 months. That is very significant. Now, it is a national number. Your home's value might not have grown by that much. It could have actually grown by more than that. Here's a map that shows what's happened in each state in the country. You'll notice that in Mississippi, there's not enough data for us to get a number. The reason for that is that Mississippi is a non-disclosure state, meaning that sellers don't have to disclose publicly what their home sold for. The tax assessor's office are not going to reveal that information, which sometimes makes it difficult for you to get an accurate online automated value of what your home may be worth, especially in the state of Mississippi, where those prices, those home values are not shared publicly. That's why having a real estate agent who can run a comparative market analysis. As an agent, I have access to that data. I just can't spread that information around. I can share with you what your home may be worth, and we can figure out an equity from that based on what others have sold for. I just can't make all that information public. So why is this important right now? Lawrence Yun is the chief economist for the National Association of Realtors, and he explains why this is so important today. That the decline in the stock market has dented overall net wealth. It's fallen by $6 trillion from the first to the second quarter of 2022. Only housing wealth has held on, with homeowners' real estate wealth, their home value minus their mortgage balance, rising by $1.2 trillion. While this helps equity increase your overall net worth, it can also help you achieve your goals like buying your next home. When you sell your current house, the equity you build up comes back to you in the sale, and it just might be a significant amount of money that helps you with a down payment on your next home. So here's the bottom line. While the stock market is volatile right now, your home's equity still is growing. Check out what your value is today by giving me an opportunity to run those numbers for you to tell you what your home may be worth. Hi, when you want to sell or buy, call me, the Mid-South Home Guy. I'm Jeff Jones with eXp Realty. You can find more at midsouth.homes. Have a blessed day.